fuck this. I know what you're thinking. Fuck running. I don't want to do that. I don't want to do the gym. Luke, I've listened to every video about this and no one seems to be able to help me. So in today's video, I'm going to give you 5 actionable things that you can do to help you go to the gym more effectively and more often. So step number 1, we're jumping straight into this, is getting yourself an accountability partner. As you can see in this video here, I have my boy Yesin. We just finished the gym. See, this is what I mean with accountability partner. This is what you need. How hard was it to keep coming to the gym when you first started?
It's fucking hard.
Exactly. But then he came with me, had an accountability partner, and he smashes it now.
Let's fucking
Yeah.
us.
Having Yeston come with me was a non-negotiable. Just having someone suffer with you throughout that workout, understanding that, okay, I'm not on my own here, I've got someone with me. If I feel like I don't want to finish that set off, or, I get tired or whatever it is, I feel like someone's there just to watch me, to make sure that I complete the rep or the set or whatever it is. And also just a confidence boost. Having someone come with you to the gym really builds that confidence. It helps you realize that, okay, I'm not a weirdo for going to the gym. Because for some reason with the ADHD brain, we find an excuse not to do anything. So even if it's the most productive thing in the world, like going to the gym, for example, we will find 10 reasons to not go and why it's actually bad for us. All right, number 2, understanding the benefits of exercise. So I want you to think every time you work out, you're not just working out your body, you're actually working out your brain as well. You're building new neurological links within your brain that are not only gonna help you further develop, but also really help with those ADHD symptoms, helping to manage them. All right, tip number 3, we're gonna speed through this. I'm trying to understand that you guys need value. You need actual tips to help you guys. So you're gonna want to try stick to a workout routine that is manageable for you, but also engaging and fun. So what I mean by that is, say for example, your weekly routine is to go to the gym 4 times a week. If you find that on one of the days you don't want to go to the gym and it's feeling almost impossible, switch it up. Go do something that's still exercise that you find fun. Whether it be skipping, whether it be going for a run, anything along those lines, just do it. Try it out, see how you go. Really spark it up, give yourself some fun to be had. And you can even switch it up when it comes to the time of day you work out. Maybe you wanted to work out in the day, or maybe you want to work out at night. Number 4, you need to track your workouts, guys, okay? And what I mean by that is track that you're actually going to the gym and reward yourself for it. By doing this, you're building the habit of, okay, there actually is an instant dopamine, because the reason a lot of us don't do these good things for us, even though we intrinsically know that we should be exercising, we should be eating, we should be drinking, we tend to finish our workouts and expect us to be feeling amazing already. And sometimes that dopamine takes time to kick in for us. So like giving yourself an instant reward, maybe it's getting a coffee, getting your favorite drink after the gym. Still keep it healthy, obviously don't be eating bullshit, but get something that you want to eat, something that you will enjoy. In my opinion, guys, exercise should be non-negotiable. And if you've seen the clips that I'm playing throughout this, I find it quite easy to go to the gym now, all right? I find it easy because I put all these things into place. I make going to the gym the least resistant thing I do. So another tip is make sure that the gym is close by, that you're actually gonna go, all right? Make sure the gym is close enough that you will go, because if it's half an hour away, you will not go to the gym. So tip number 5 is making sure that the gym is close to you, or at least accessible to you, because on those days where you're feeling like you don't want to do fuck all but lay in bed, doom scroll, hit your vape, whatever it is that your escape methods are, you won't want to go to the gym. So you need to make sure that it's close by. My last and final bonus tip is to have your shit ready the night before. All right, so having your stuff set up, as you can see in this clip here, I have my stuff always on the side of my chair, just so when I wake up straight away, I can grab it and go to the gym. All right, make this as the least resistance as possible, okay? We're not trying to make it harder for ourselves, we're trying to make it easier. I hope you guys did enjoy today's video. I try to keep this one super short, super to the point. If you feel like this helped you, definitely subscribe. If you want to chat to me or just, get to know somebody in this ADHD community, feel free to join the Discord I've set up below. Currently, there's no members in there, so I'd love to have a couple of you in there just so I can chat to somebody, as it does get lonely, all right? I made this Discord and nobody's in it, so please join. Apart from that, guys, I hope you have been enjoying the content as of recent. I am trying to bring more of an authentic style to YouTube, and it is hard because I do want to make videos that are of high quality and high production and that have a lot of edits in it, but in saying that, the whole purpose of this channel isn't for my ego, it's to help you guys out. So guys, I also have left below a basic gym routine, so something you want to follow when you go to the gym. It's simply a push-pull legs routine 3 times a week. This is a beginner guide to get you guys to going to the gym, okay? So make sure you download that below.